Hello viewers, many people are complaining that after activating the dark theme in LibreOffice spreadsheet, they don't see grid lines. Like in front of you now, spreadsheet is open, you don't see grid line, but the boxes and calculation are okay. So let's fix it. Now click Tools and then come to Options, click View, and in View, we will open the box of theme Breeze SVG plus dark, Calvary SVG plus dark, Sukapura SVG plus dark are fine. So better you select Calvary SVG plus dark, apply and then come click appearance, and in appearance now open this box and select light. After selecting light, the lines or grid lines would appear and you can see that the spreadsheet is looking normal. Now the camouflage colors has been gone and you can see the lines clearly visible. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.